In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com forms, Holize, capture leads, surveys, and more. Monday Forms tutorial, 5 minutes. We'll build a clean, professional form in Monday.com that feeds directly into your board, so every response becomes a trackable item. Start by logging into your Monday.com account. Once you're in, open the workspace where you want to collect and manage responses. It's best if you already have a board set up with the columns you care about because forms pull their fields from your board. Inside your workspace, click the plus button to add something new. From the options that appear, choose Form. This creates a form view that's connected to your current board. Right away, you'll see the form editor has automatically mapped fields to your board's columns. That means a submission will create a new item with values placed in the matching columns. No manual copying or pasting required. From here, customize the form so it's easy for respondents and useful for your team. Drag and drop to rearrange fields into a logical flow, rename field titles to make them clearer, and add short descriptions when a field might need extra context. Mark only the must-have fields as required to reduce drop-off. If you realize something's missing or unnecessary, update the column on your board and it will reflect in the form. Next, open the Design tab to brand the experience. Add your company logo, choose background colors that match your visual style, and write a concise, friendly thank you message to confirm submissions. Keep contrast high for readability and use simple language in your confirmation so respondents know what happens next. Then head to settings to polish the experience. You can add a welcome page to set expectations before people start, enable CAPTCHA to cut down on spam, and decide whether users can submit multiple responses. Allow multiple submissions for things like internal requests or event check-ins. Restrict them for one-time surveys or applications. When you're ready to publish, click Share Form. You'll get a direct link for email or social sharing, a QR code for print or in-person events, and an embed code to place the form on your website or intranet. To keep your team responsive, add an automation so that when a new form response arrives, the right people get notified or assigned. A quick test submission before you go live will confirm everything lands in the correct columns and the notifications fire as expected. That's it. Your Monday.com form is live, branded, secure, and connected to your workflow.